And here, yes, that's the place. That actually should be the place. The mother sea of holy Echmiadzin. And sea is not like sea and ocean, but seat, for some reason, the same way as Roman Catholics have the Holy See, Vatican. It's seat, bishop's seat, not rivers, lakes, seas and oceans. That's quite a nice garden which they have, with doggies of course. And is it cells for monks? Dear doggy, do you know? You should know what's behind those doors, since you were asking. And somebody is there probably. But I guess that no monk is living here anymore. What do you think? Well, that's interesting. Let's walk in. Old and new together. Okay. Will there be anything interesting here? Just from this side. And this is the old church. This is the really old church. One of the oldest, if not the oldest in the world. I mean cathedral. 4th century. Ah, doggy, you got something there. Okay, so somebody is living there. Okay, doggy, you wanted that, whatever it was, as well? Too late, too late. And you too, too late. The first one ate it already. You got me. Now, that's the holy Echmiadzin. And as far as I understand, this is the center of Armenian church, the whole Armenian church. And all those new buildings which I was walking around and couldn't figure out how to get in and around. I guess it might be some seminary or some other stuff like that. Like there are quite a few clergymen walking around like there, and some of them look quite young, so I guess it might be some seminary for for those who study theology and want to become pastor or priest of Armenian church. There is again one person who like a theology student, but you know me, these are just my guesses. The only thing which I have checked is that this is the center of Armenian church, and that this church is one of the oldest, if not the oldest, cathedral in the world, which is quite remarkable. But you know, there's something bad about it. It looks like it's all fenced, and there's some construction going on there, which would mean I couldn't get in there. Yeah, oldest cathedral in the world, it's very good. But what does it help if we can't get there? And we can at least from here. Yeah, it looks like there is no entrance anywhere. Just cranes and construction workers. That's a pity. Didn't they know that I am coming today? Yeah, that's an interesting place. That's an interesting place. So people, the planes are going this direction, so it means that wind is that direction today. Good. It means that when I will be taking off, no, it will be dark. Don't mind. I was thinking when I will be taking off, I'll be choosing to sit on the left side to see Mount Ararat when we are taking off. But no, it will be dark. I won't see anything anyway. Yeah, Mother Sea of Holy Echmiadzin. Can I go a little bit closer here? I think I can. Well, slightly better, but I wouldn't be able to get in anyway. What do you think, guys? Do you like old things? This is as old as it gets. 4th century. Imagine, 300 something. Anno Domini. By that time, pretty much all other Christian places were not Christian even, and they had already cathedral. Crazy to think about it. It is before the Constantine made Christianity the religion of Roman Empire. Yeah, crazy. Judge yourselves if it made any better or no. If making Christianity a state religion makes more people to know God personally? That's another question. Think for yourselves, observe for yourselves. But this place is quite impressive, nonetheless.